In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription in GoHighLevel. Now, whether you're doing some spring cleaning with your accounts or simply moving on to new tools, it's important to handle the cancellation of subscriptions correctly to avoid unexpected charges. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, you'll need to log in to your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to the official GoHighLevel website and use your agency admin email and password to log in. Remember, only the account owner, which is the agency admin, has the authority to cancel the subscription. Once you've logged in successfully, you need to switch to the agency view. To do this, look to the top left corner of your dashboard and click on your profile picture or agency name. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Agency View. It's crucial to be in this particular view because subscriptions can only be managed here, not within any sub-accounts. Next, you should head over to the company billing settings. In the left sidebar, you'll see the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on that, and then from the menu, choose company billing. This section offers a detailed view of your current plan, whether it's starter, unlimited, or pro SaaS. You'll also see your billing cycle, which could be either monthly or annual, your payment method, typically credit card, and the subscription renewal date. Now, it's time to proceed to canceling your subscription. Scroll down until you locate Cancel Subscription or Manage Plan. Click on Cancel Subscription. At this point, the system may prompt you to confirm the cancellation or to provide a reason for it. Just follow the prompts you are given to proceed and finalize the cancellation. After following through with these steps, you'll receive a confirmation email from GoHighLevel. It's important to note that your account will remain active until the end of your current billing period unless you've chosen to cancel it immediately. After this period, your access will automatically terminate. To ensure you've successfully canceled your subscription, go back to Settings and then Company Billing. It should clearly display either canceled or expires on a specific date under your plan details. For your peace of mind, it's a good idea to save or take a screenshot of this page for your records. Before your access ends, if there's any valuable data you wish to export, now is the time to do so. Save contacts, funnels, workflows, and automations by following the respective export options. This step ensures that you have the necessary data saved if you choose to return to GoHighLevel in the future. Additionally, if you've availed any extra services such as LC Email, Twilio, or LC Phone, you'll want to cancel these as well to prevent continued charges. You can do this by visiting Settings and then Phone Numbers, followed by Billing, where you can manually remove these services. For any external charges like Twilio or Mailgun, you need to check those accounts directly. And finally, if you're having trouble finding the cancel button, don't hesitate to reach out to GoHighLevel's customer support. Click the chat icon at the bottom right corner of your dashboard, or you can email them directly requesting them to cancel your agency subscription and confirm the action via email. That's it. By following these steps, you should have no trouble canceling your subscription in GoHighLevel smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.